So the trick is 4K resolutions. See what this is. By the way, this is stuff people sent me. This is a giant box. It weighs 13 pounds or so. I'm gonna open it up, and I have an idea what's gonna be in here. Hold on, I have to grab my audio source. Not so much better. Anyways, yeah, you can probably already see that. I'll have to blur it out in post-production. So this is from a subscriber who reached out to me with what they called, that's very loud, a Christmas gift. It was a Christmas gift. And I thank you guys for sending me stuff. I got some other things that people asked me not to show on camera. And of course, you've been really generous. And of course, we have the GoFundMe to keep the channel rolling through the move coming up. But anyways, no, I don't walk around with one of these every day. And I can't say the word because YouTube will demonetize me. My name's Steven. I'm not leaving Las Vegas. I'm a Vegas blogger. I try to do short films, help you guys see stuff through a different eye. We're reviewing every casino in Las Vegas, plus the rooms. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And I'm really grateful that somebody was nice enough to do this and send this to me. Now, it's probably not, this is a giant box, and I don't think it contains a Dell computer. Because I have an idea what it has in it. We have this here. My wife is also watching. That's the chair noises that you guys hear in the background. We're in our nice place that we're gonna be out of, but we're gonna get a nice place again in time. We'll be a Vegas success story. All right, so I could feel from inside here there's a canvas bag. By the way, I'm no Lou from Unbox Therapy, and if I did, my thumbnail would just be me holding this up. But there's like a canvas bag, there's some packing materials. This person is a professional with what they do, and so I think, I don't know what's in here, okay? Obviously just opened it up. Whoa, can you see everything?
I can see everything.
Oh, look at this. So I got packing materials.
Including your hamstring. Okay.
Thank you. I got packing materials, so later if I need some bubble therapy, I can ruin your headphones like that. Wow, I knew this was photography equipment, and this is huge here. We have a giant, heavy lens. These are quality. So I want to make better movies and videos for you guys. I want to do episodic content on the channel. So this is what is going to help me learn filmmaking, because it's not about having the nicest, shiniest gear. It's about having the tools and knowing how to use what you have. This is like a very old retro lens, which is apparently a really good lens. I can see you on the, no, you can't see.
The old school?
This is an old school heavy lens, yes. I have a Rode mic, and somebody that was really awesome in my, somebody who was really awesome in my YouTube, my YouTube group, but it's not for YouTube, it's for everybody not leaving Las Vegas on Facebook. They chipped in to try to get me one of these, which was very nice. Thank you so much. It did not go unwasted, I promise you. This is a Rode mic. This sits on your GoPro or your camera to help you do better audio so it doesn't sound bad when the thing moves from you and all that kind of stuff. I have this one here. I'm going to reserve this one here for the end because I think I know what's in it, and I just want to smile really good at the very end too.
Abby?
What's up?
This could be life-changing for you.
This could be if I learn how to use it.
We are the luckiest people on earth.
I'm very lucky.
Yes.
Look at this. If I learn how to use this right, half of this I don't even know what it is. I'm going to be truthful with you. This is this
You're
is not
a fast learner.
I'm a fast learner.
You're all good to go.
I thought this was what was in there. So this is Panasonic GH2.
You know your craft.
Mirrorless micro 4/3 camera.
No way.
Yeah, and this right here is something I can use for low light production. I can walk through this room where we're in right now, where it's dim on the other side of me, not have it look like a potato from 2007.
Somebody loves you besides me. That's just my 2 cents.
I know, it's so weird.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. This is a thank you to you know who you are. I'm not going to out your name on the channel. This is the Lumix. This is just the body.
We talk about Lumix all the time. Remember?
Yep. These were the
all the time.
These were the lenses. Now I know I've been chewing people's ear off about cameras, but this person helped me see the light and see that. You know what? It's about what you have, having a tool. This is a great one for low light performance. Different things I can not see in the casinos, and I have to make sure my camera's okay. What else do we got here? You got to read the manual. When I was younger,
someone took the time to pack that nicely.
They did. When I was younger, They
What
would
a
say,
wonderful human being.
they would say, read the effing manual if somebody asked you something. This is before the internet was Google. How do I do this thing on my computer? Well, you read the manual, and it tells you. So I'll read the manual. It's a thick manual. I hope it's not in 17 languages. We have a power brick, a couple of batteries. This is fantastic. There's more.
It's the whole package.
It's
for
the
you.
whole package. I'm going to set this aside next to Buddha. Thank you, Buddha.
That's right.
And now I'm going to have everybody going, oh my gosh, you're a Buddhist?
Nah.
No, I just think the Buddha is a really good story. You should look it up. This is a dead cat, this is called. This goes on a microphone, so if there's wind,
Dead
it isolates.
raccoon.
Dead raccoon's tail. It isolates all that. And this is here is a microphone as well. This is
And we do get really pretty
This
windy
is a-
here in Las Vegas.
yeah, this is an older kind of beat up mic,
Never
but it
seen
works
that.
really, really well. It's an old quality mic. Sometimes stuff that's
What?
yeah, it's a
There is
quality.
such thing?
Well, I mean, you can buy a 50-year-old Fender Stratocaster and have it be better than most that are built
Right.
today. We have another lens right here. This is
Not the camera, remember?
no, this is not the camera, but this is
This is
a
amazing.
70 to 300s. This is for telephoto. Then we also have a housing for it. You put the camera inside the housing, and then you can walk around with it like this. And it's very stable
Seen
when you
those.
want to move. This is a housing for that. And then we also have an
That's
audio.
not, and it's not so cumbersome, which
Not so
makes
cumbersome. We have a Pro Mix Plus. This is a sound mixer that I will have to read the manual on. There isn't one provided, but I will track one down online. This helps everything you do sound better. And then we have the last big one. Time for a jump cut, everybody. And we're back. So last but not least, not the very least, this. And I think I know what this is. If this is what I think it is, then it's going to give me an
What
opportunity.
is that? Is that another surprise?
Well, it's a canvas bag and a surprise. So let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not just a bag full of canvas bags. That would be a cruel joke.
Whatever it is, you're.
Okay, I know what this is. So this is actually a glide cam, it's called.
Oh, that's the one he was talking
And
about.
yeah, so this is where it actually
That
stabilizes
is amazing.
your camera. So you're walking around, you don't have a expensive 2019 model camera, which does it for you. You can use any camera and stabilize it. And it sets up, it has the counterweights. I imagine this is pretty much easy to assemble. You are going to screw this into here, and then it's going to counterweight. This was fantastic. Thank you guys for all your generosity. This is something I can put to use because I'm going to be doing more complex filming around town, more documentaries, that kind of stuff. I want to cover every casino and every little story that we could possibly see and have. If you guys like Las Vegas and you want to know why the Harmon was deemed a public health hazard due to earthquakes, or you guys want to learn how it came to be that Las Vegas was founded, I want to cover all that stuff. News and also special events, the Golden Knights and the Raiders. Like, share, subscribe. I'm going to have to go and learn a lot in the next few days, but I'm looking forward to bringing you better equipment, better videos from better equipment. So thank you so much. I can't even come to terms with the fact that people
You're speechless.
yeah, people are generous. And I was telling Caroline, I'm like, I spent 12, 13 years being the guy that everybody ran away from, timeshare guy, to now some people want to help me out. And so thank you. And the best way you can help me out, you don't have to send me stuff or financially. You can just click like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And why don't you tell us about the nicest thing anybody ever did for you in the comments? That would be nice. So this is Steven and this is Caroline,
Campbell
who wants to say,
that when I first came here way years and years ago, people tell me Americans are one of the most generous people in the world.
and they are.
And that's what you're having right now.
I know. People from all over are awesome. Thank you to everybody from Canada, Germany, Australia, New Zealand who's watching. If I missed any other countries, you guys are great. Thank you so much for a special gift. Even though we're in the middle of our move, it's gonna be
I
something.
want to see what's behind it.
Yeah, you don't want to see what's behind us. But I gotta go. Bye.